Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Marvels of Science with Malaika Noor. Here we are going to talk about the population, but before we start, let me tell you some important points which will help you to understand this topic: population growth, survivorship curve, exponential growth, environmental resistance, carrying capacity, logistic population growth. As we know that population are groups of individuals of the same species that occupy a given area at the same time and have a unique attributes. Now, population growth. Animals' population changes over time as a result of birth, death, and dispersal. One way to characterize a population with regard to death of individual is with survivorship curves. Now here's a graph in front of you in which y-axis is for numbers of survivors and x-axis is a linear plot of age. There are three types of survivorship curves. Individuals in type 1 survives to an old age. The humans are a very good example of this type. Most of the individuals of this type easily survives for at least 50 years or more. Well, I think it's because of the parental care that we get from our parents. We easily get food, shelter, and other basic needs to live. Environmental factors are relatively unimportant in influencing mortality, and most individuals live their potential lifespans. The individuals in type 2 population have a constant probability, amkan, or chances of death throughout their lives. The environment has an important influence on death. Population of birds and rodents often have type 2 survivorship curves. As you can see that type 1 curve is parallel to the x-axis in the beginning and then drops dramatically just because of the environmental factors or diseases that influence the human beings or other organisms that include in the type 1 curve or type 1 population, and type 3 curves falls in the beginning and then becomes parallel to the x-axis. So we can say that individuals in type 3 is opposite to the individuals in type 1 population. Fishes and many other invertebrates display type 3 survivorship curve. Individuals in type 3 population experience very high juvenile mortality. Juvenile is inactive adult shape, or mortality means death rate. If we take an example of fishes from type 3 individuals, they lay eggs in the water and all the development and growth occurs externally. They have very weak parental care. So let's talk about the exponential growth. It occurs when the resources are abundant or unlimited. Population passes well beyond the carrying capacity of an ecosystem. Carrying capacity can be defined as a species' average population size in a particular habitat, or we can say that carrying capacity is the capacity of an ecosystem to carry a population number. Population crashes ultimately due to the mass mortality in exponential population growth. It has two phases, lag phase and log phase. Here you can see that in the graph that lag phase is the initial period or period of adjustment, and log phase in which population grows in a logarithmic fashion. Graph of exponential growth, there is no stationary phase. The graph is moving upward but not becomes parallel to the x-axis. Exponential growth occurs in fewer organisms, for example, algal bloom. There is a rapid increase or accumulation in the population of algae in freshwater or marine water system. Now, let me tell you about the logistic population growth and its graph. Logistic population growth occurs when the resources are limited. The graph of logistic population growth is assumed as sigmoid or S-shaped graph. As you can see in the graph, population seldom, rarely, beyond the carrying capacity of an ecosystem. According to growth curve, population seldom crashes Logistic population growth has 4 phases. Lag phase, which is the initial phase, as I tell you in the exponential growth curve. Log phase, in which the population grows in a logarithmic fashion, same as exponential growth graph. But in logistic population growth, there are 2 more phases, deceleration phase and steady phase or stationary phase. In deceleration phase, population growth slows down because resources are becoming limited. And in stationary phase or steady phase, population growth has stopped because of the resources are now limited. The population has reached the carrying capacity. Logistic population growth is common in wildlife members. Hope this video helpful to you, and that's all from me for now. And it's time to press the subscribe button, and the most important thing is that bell icon so you get to know every time we go online. Thanks for your precious time. Allah Hafiz.